everyone, how are you all? Hopefully all of you are doing well. Welcome to my channel Super School. I'm back with another video from the vocabulary tutorial series. Yes, so you are learning vocabulary with me part by part. So I have made 6 parts so far, and this is the 7th part of my video. And if you haven't watched the previous ones, then please go back and watch and learn some new words to master the English language speaking skills, and also writing, also listening, and also speaking. So yeah, it will help you in all 4 ways. So let's begin. The first word is altercation. Altercation. So altercation, there is a R in the spelling, but we are not pronouncing the R because we are learning the British pronunciation. So it will be altercation. So it's a noun and it means a noisy argument or confrontation. For example, you went to a coffee shop and the salesperson provided you with a coffee where there is no milk but only sugar and water. So it's like a hot water rather than a coffee, a creamy milky coffee. So you picked up a fight, and or maybe your friend picked up a fight, and you can use this sentence: Ghazi got into an altercation with a stranger at the coffee shop. So you can see how your sentence has uplifted. So the next one is ambiguous. Now, what is ambiguous? Ambiguous is an adjective. Ambiguous is an adjective which means unclear or vague in meaning. Unclear or vague in meaning. That means it doesn't make any sense. Like it makes half sense, not complete sense. For example, her ambiguous statement made me question whether she could be trusted. Her ambiguous statement made me question whether she could be trusted. So, ambiguous question. That means sometimes you are not on track. So, you go off the track and ask something out of the box. So, on track, off track, out of the box, these are quite common phrases that we use in English. And if you would like to learn some smart phrases with me, then you have to let me know in the comment section below. But before ending this video, I want to share another word. Yes, as I promised, 3 words, so 1 is left and I didn't forget. So the next one is ambitious. Ambitious is a quite familiar word, unlike the previous 2 words that I have mentioned, altercation and ambiguous. Although ambiguous is in kind of in a middle situation. So it's familiar to some people, it's unfamiliar to some people, but ambitious is quite familiar to everyone. And it's an important adjective. It means having a powerful desire for success or achievement. Having a powerful desire for success or achievement. And let's use it in a sentence. Priya is so ambitious that she wants to be president someday. Priya is so ambitious that she wants to be president someday. So you can use it to explain your ambition in life whenever, suppose in an IELTS speaking test, if the examiner asks you a question, what is your aim in life? You can say, I'm quite an ambitious person, because I have high dreams. Yes, so it's as simple as that. Now, learn more words with me and uplift your English proficiency or enhance your English proficiency. So, for more videos, please like and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to follow my Facebook page because I'm offering a course where I will be teaching many more topics which are crucial to be grammatically accurate while you are speaking, reading, writing and listening. So it's important for all 4 parts. Now for more information, you need to log on to my Facebook page and like it and share it, and also if you would like, you can join my course. Thank you so much.